My lords, there were
a platform
69
for
cases. No, my lords, that I must say. There are 69 cases and we have had 627 appearances, and the agreement that is with the trust records that even the councils who have been engaged by us will be paid by us. There's no payment. And I have a list of those appearances, including the councils.
Go and explain this thing to the High Court. High Court has merely issued a notice to you.
No, but today I have summons that have been issued. Would my lords please come to my lords, the summons which have now been issued at page 188 to join. My lords, please come to 188. And my lords, today in view of the judgment of my lords, I really cannot be called in
Why
the,
can't you be called?
my lords,
That
at
if that
least I
judgment is
can't
to
go,
be,
I can't.
if that
go
judgment is to be customary
lords,
like
there
this,
is-
then very
my lords-
dangerous thing.
My lords, I do have, my lords, may please look at page 188 for a minute.
Unfortunately, we can't see anything here.
I am
This is the notice you have
I'm
done.
so sorry, my lords. What have they filed? Where are? My lords, can I just pass this copy on? My lords, there's a typed copy also, I take it, that has been
No,
filed.
there is no type copy anyway, but I have my sister's file, I have read it. Are
I'm
you
so
referring
sorry,
to
I
the
apologize.
police notice?
Yes, this is a police notice.
Police notice, and we are only concerned about in these proceedings. We are only concerned about the your impediment in the contempt proceeding.
My lords, both orders are under challenge because the second order, the direction is
we are-
for the police to investigate.
Go and challenge that notice before the High Court.
Petition before the High Court.
My lords,
They are
I'm
proceeding. They have
withdrawing.
already
I
filed
was
a
in
petition.
fact going to say that is being withdrawn today because the High Court has observed.
No, please go and file your petition there.
My lords,
8 lakh rupees.
Your conduct is under scanner before the High Court. There are very doubtful transactions. 7 crore rupees almost you have taken.
my lords,
It's
Not
a-
only that, my lord.
It's a case of complete fraud played by a party on the judicial system, and the High Court is rightly taking action, and they must be taken to the task.
My lords,
Whosoever is
may I
involved.
make
Lord,
one
they
submission?
transferred 88 lakh
Can I-
rupees to vegetable vendors.
Yeah,
I have
wait,
the statement.
Can you stop your running commentary? We are already speaking.
I'm sorry.
So, my lords, please see that order at page number 10 at 11. This is the one, and then let me show the agreement, please
Madam
see.
Meenakshi, ultimately, maybe that you are totally justified. But the division bench has found that the transaction was completely fraud. The transactions were set aside. The sale proceeds or a substantial part of that amount has gone into 3 accounts, including your account, 7 crore, almost 6 crore 89 lakh something, right? You may have 100% clear justification to tell to the High Court, look here, this is the amount received, this is how it has been paid, this is paid for so and so cases. Matter will end. But somebody will have to tell the High Court.
I have filed substantially the material also here, if my lords may.
No,
just-
why should we? That is a disrespect to the High Court. A
My lords,
very learned two judges of the High Court, they are dealing with the matter.
my lords,
We should have that much respect for them.
my lords, but there is also the factum of attorney-client privilege out here. Now, I have appeared in 69 cases, and most of these cases are against this ARC Phoenix. I've appeared in different jurisdictions to various DRTs. There's
This may be a very good ground. This may be a very good ground to convince the High Court.
My lords, my lords, in the meantime, what do I do in the summons? I ask myself that
You
question.
convince the High Court that the interim stay vacated.
My lords,
The interim stay is passed on a day when, despite the service, you don't appear before the High Court.
my lords, I
This is the
appeared
conduct
now
you are
before the
showing.
High Court. I have appeared before the High Court.
No,
My lords, also there's a
and
second.
subsequently might have.
My lords, just give me 1 second aspect on the matter. It is the case that about 6 odd crores have been passed on to me out of that 13 crores, which are supposed to have been received from CRML. That is the thing. Now, the total amount has already been secured by the trust. What ARC claims is only a small part of that particular property. Their entire value is about only 30 crores. As of now, the trust property valued 200 crores have been attached. So therefore, the ARC is more than adequately protected. In that
You
contrast,
can't argue
I
this thing.
request my lords to consider an aspect. I am today summoned by the police. I do have an aspect of attorney-client privilege there. What do I go and reveal there? I am saying, my lords, only one aspect today. I will appear before the High Court. My lords are right. I will produce everything that is there with me, my agreement, payments that have been made to the advocates, etc. I'll produce all of that. I have put a list of 69 cases here and the appearances, which are 639 in number. But this appearance before the police is all that I'm requesting you today, my lords. Give me a protection so far as that is concerned.
This issue you are not raised in the petition.
My lords, that is that, please, page number 12. That's an order I've challenged before yourself.
No, you can't challenge directly. You have to challenge before the High Court.
My lords, before the police, where I've been summoned, I can't go and now make a statement, number one, in an attorney-client privilege. Number two, I'm going to be, just please see page 12, my lords.
You will do. You will simply tell them that I will maintain confidentiality of my professional relationship. I don't disclose anything to you. Let them take any
If they
action.
will arrest, then what would I do then? My lords, please appreciate.
Apply for bail.
This is going to the, my lords, there will be a difficulty. Give me the protection. I undertake to appear before the High Court with the entire material within the course of the week. My lords may bind me down to that. And I'll put all the material.
Explain everything.
They have concealed, my lord, the statement account. Kindly see, my lord, this 88 lakh rupees immediately to vegetable vendors, fruit owners. That is their statement account. They have concealed from your lordship. Kindly have note this. My lord, the money which they received, 7 odd crore rupees, they immediately transfer 88 lakh rupees to vegetable vendors, my lord. The fruit cart owners, my lord.
We are 100% convinced that this so-called law firm,
Yes.
this platform has been used only for money laundering. This basically money laundering in the sense that this fraudulent sale transaction amount has been tried to be siphoned through this account.
Yes.
That we have no doubt, but that issue is pending before the High Court. The question is that today police has summoned them. Let them appear before the police, but we'll protect their arrest. That's all. For the time.
My lord, they have filed a writ petition. my lord. They did
So
file.
we have heard Learned Senior
Yes,
Counsel
I
for the
will do
party,
petition.
Learned Senior Counsel for the
Well, this morning.
as well as Learned So-and-so Counsel appearing on KBA,
Okay,
on behalf of respondent number,
one, my lord.
on respondent number 1. Also, while we do not find any ground to interfere with the orders passed by the High Court, orders dated 3rd June 2026 and 5th June 2026 passed by the Division Bench of the High Court. And thus grant liberty to the petitioner to appear and submit their explanation in the content proceedings. Also, as regard to the notice issued by the state police, it is directed that if the petitioner appear before the police authorities and submit their explanation, no coercive action shall be taken against the petitioner.
My lords, it's advocate, the name will be appearing, my lords.
Who is the,
Mr. Hussein Moin Farooq, my lords, page 188, who is
for a period of Mr. Hussein Muin Farooq for a period of 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Meanwhile, he shall be at liberty to approach the High Court for the grant of necessary protection.
my lords, there's my accounts have been
It is-
frozen, so
it
my
is
lords.
made-
when
no, no,
I
we will not-
approach- No, I'm
no,
not
no.
asking my lords to do that. It may only be said that I'll approach
Very
the High
clear
Court,
that-
including defreezing
It's
of
very
that.
clear that we have not expressed any opinion on merits. And the interim protection is only for transitional period to enable so-and-so person to approach the High Court.
Obliged. Great.
Grateful, my lords. I'm so grateful.
Well, it's